Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. United Garage. Today we have an essential guide for you on how to properly maintain your oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor is a critical component in your vehicle's emission control system, so it's essential to keep it in good working condition. Let's dive in. Importance of oxygen sensor maintenance. Before we get into the maintenance process, let's quickly discuss why it's important to maintain your oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in your vehicle's exhaust gases and relays that information to the Engine Control Unit, ECU. The ECU then adjusts the air-fuel mixture to optimize combustion efficiency and reduce emissions. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor can lead to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and potential damage to your engine. So, how do you know if your oxygen sensor needs maintenance? Here are a few common signs of a faulty sensor. Rough idling or reduced performance. You may experience rough idling or a noticeable decrease in engine performance. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to check and maintain your oxygen sensor. Preparation for maintenance. Now let's move on to the actual maintenance process. Here's what you'll need. Wear gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself. OBD scanner. This tool will help you identify the specific oxygen sensor causing the issue. Wire brush. Use a wire brush to clean the sensor's electrical connector. Penetrating oil. You may need this to loosen the sensor if it's stuck. Make sure you have these tools handy before starting the maintenance. Oxygen sensor maintenance steps. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of maintaining your oxygen sensor. Step 1. Locate the sensor. The sensor is usually located in the exhaust system. Refer to your vehicle's manual to find its exact location. Step 2. Disconnect the sensor. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to disconnect the sensor from its electrical connector. Step 3. Inspect and clean. Inspect the sensor for any signs of damage, such as corrosion or contamination. Clean the sensor using a wire brush and remove any debris. Step 4. Check the wiring. Inspect the wiring for any signs of damage. If you find any issues, you may need to repair or replace the wiring. Step 5. Apply penetrating oil. If necessary, if the sensor is stuck, apply some penetrating oil and let it sit for a few minutes to help loosen it. Step 6. Install the new sensor. If necessary, if the sensor is beyond repair, you'll need to replace it with a new one. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. Step 7. Reconnect the sensor. Reconnect the sensor to its electrical connector and make sure it's securely fastened. Step 8. Clear the error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear any error codes from the ECU. Step 9. Test the sensor. Start the engine and ensure that the sensor is functioning correctly by monitoring its readings on the scanner tool. Congratulations! You've successfully maintained your oxygen sensor. Closing scene. And that wraps up our guide on how to maintain your oxygen sensor. Remember, regular maintenance will help ensure optimal performance and reduce emissions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and drive safely. See you in the next video.